Welcome back to another episode of Gardening and Farming, an introduction by Petranilla Estrada. Today we're talking about why it is important to take care of your garden and your farm. So gardening and farms are important to the planet because they represent the natural environment. Plants and trees grow there, taking in carbon and releasing oxygen. The plant roots stabilize the soil and they filter water. So, by taking care of your garden and farm, you get better yields, which is a measurement of the amount of a crop grown or product produced. Pests and diseases can be managed when you scout or examine your field, plant, or animal on a regular basis. You scout to evaluate color, height, and the presence of any insect, pest, or disease. Early detection is important for prevention. Managing weeds is a type of pest control and a means to allow plants to get their required nutrients. Removing debris or rubbish from your garden and farm also reduces pests and pathogens from regularly affecting the area. By taking care of your garden and your farm, you're able to monitor all living organisms in the area that you're gardening and farming. Taking care of your garden enhances food and nutrition security for yourself and for your country. Caring for your garden also allows you to save money, not on everything, but you may be able to cut down on one item, leaving room to budget for another. Thus, the reason for gardeners to grow what you eat and farmers to plant what you have a market for. Additionally, gardening and farming can increase property value, provide you with a source of vitamin D, relieve stress, and provides free exercise. Growing your own food can help you also to eat healthier. You are also able to monitor your soil health and its moisture levels. So, the main reasons we need healthy soil, healthy food, clean air, and water. So you do your part. Take care of your garden and your farm. They say you are what you eat, and you only fail if you stop trying.